you guys doing? I will be showing you guys my 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Classic with a 6-inch lift by Rough Country and 24 by 14. So I'm gonna let y'all come over here. It's gonna be, here's the 24 by 14. I got a little curb rash on there. I was not expecting how wide this thing was gonna be, so I will get that fixed, you know, down the road. So, but this is a 6-inch lift. I put the little fender flares on there. I'm gonna get a good shot from behind. From here, this is negative, I believe, 71 offset. These are with no spacers. See, these are even with fender flares on it as well. So, and it's about, I'm 5'9", so this here it is. This is pretty much where it is right here. So, bam. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the front of it again. It's actually pretty nice. There will be more videos on me, you know, installing some stuff. I will be getting purple LED lights. It's gonna be just pretty much purple inside, and I was gonna get maybe some fog lights down there. And I would be spray painting these white. Yeah, that's most of the stuff I want to do now. So, but all right, guys, I will be keeping you guys updated. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and you guys have a good one as well. And Happy New Year's, y'all. Peace.